Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, then hi, this is Sheen, and today's video is going to be not an unboxing video because I have already unboxed it, because I was very curious to see what's inside. So even though I knew what did I order, but still I wanted to see, so I have unboxed it already. But we are going to see what did I get in this huge box. Usually Smitten sends every item in chotu sa box, but this box, when I saw the box, I was like, oh, this huge. So let's see what's in this. Okay, so when I opened the box, the first thing I saw was this. This is a scalp massager. Yeah, the exact right word is that. It's supposed to work like this. Yeah, so I haven't used this yet, but I'm gonna try this. And the next thing that I was curious about to open this box was this is Innisfree. Inside we got these three products. One is Innisfree Jeju Pomegranate Revitalizing Capsule Cream. This is capsule cream. This is toner, and this one is eye cream. No, eye essence. It's called eye essence. So we got these three in one box. This was for, oh, by the way, this is for 2 trial points. This one is for 6 trial points. And now in the recent update, Smitten has got a new good update of feature, that is you can add 6 more trial points by just 99 rupees. In just 99 you can add 6 more points. So that's what I did. I got this one for 6 trial points, and the main reason for me to order this box was this is Mamaearth's Roots of Radiance Essence Serum with ashwagandha and turmeric. When I saw this was like in freebie that we get in every of the Smitten box. So it was in that, and this one's was for a limited period. Like if we order any order in such period, like in that given period, maybe like in 2 hours or something, then we get this. If not, we don't get this. And this is for like I got it as a freebie in the box, but now if you go and check this, you get it for 6 trial point. So this is Root of Radiance Essence Serum. I haven't used this, but I'm waiting to use this. I'm like, I want to use this. It's so cute. It comes with this dropper. So let's try this now. Smells nothing, but will definitely not know in one use, but it kind of like hydrates your skin. That's what I got to know in one use, but I'm gonna use this and then see how it is actually. Then we have then I got this is Dove Original Smooth and Even Skin Deodorant Roll-On. Deodorant Roll-On, no moisturizing cream, it says. I've heard people say good things about this, so I was like, okay, let me try. This was just for 1 trial point or maybe 2. I'm not really sure. Last thing that we got is this is Bombay Shaving Razor. This time last time I had ordered the face razor, and this time I ordered the body razor. In this big box we just got these many products. I was like, why such big box? Maybe because this is glass. So yeah, these are the things that I got in my Smitten box. I keep ordering Smitten every now and then. Let me know in the comment section if you really want me to make more videos like this one, like the unboxing of Smitten box. So yeah, this is it for the video. Hope you all liked it. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I will be seeing you all in my next video. Bye.